The day after Times Now reported the arrest of Abdul Rauf, the mastermind of the 1999 IC-814 hijack by Chilean authorities, India has sent a special team to Santiago to confirm the captive's identity. Sources have told Times Now that the two-member team will authenticate whether the man in Chilean custody is the real mastermind of the IC-814 hijack in December 1999 and, if confirmed, will initiate proceedings to get him back home. The move comes after highly placed sources in the government and the CBI said that the Chilean police informed the CBI that they had detained a person identified as Abdul Rauf and that there was also an Interpol Red Corner notice pending against him. Joining me live from New Delhi for more on this story is Times Now's Nikunj Garg. Nikunj, we do know that the CBI is sending a team for Chile tonight, but how difficult is it going to be for Indian authorities to get him back and try him?
Nupur, it's going to be, it's tricky, it's tough, and it's actually a little ambiguous also. It's not going to be very easy because the crisis is that while India has a rock-solid case and India has also prepared a detailed dossier on the involvement of Abdul Rauf, brother of Maulana Masood Azhar, who was released in lieu of the hostages and the aircraft during that entire week-long hostage crisis and hijack crisis. The problem is that we do not have much in the form of personalized, authenticated, verified details on Abdul Rauf. We do know about his basic looks, figure and everything from one of the co-accused, Abdul Latif, who is in our custody. But the fact is that, you know, when it comes to the legal process, you will need his fingerprints, you would need his authenticated photographs from an international agencies like Interpol of that period, which you will have to match with the photographs and the fingerprints sent by the Chilean authorities. And once you land there and you have the physical custody of that man or the physical access to that man through those fingerprints and all that stuff, all that legally binding stuff to make sure that our case against this individual, who is now confirmed to be a Pakistani citizen, and that's why a Pakistani angle would also come into play, is rock solid. All that legally binding stuff is missing. So it's not going to be a cakewalk. CBI and RNW team is obviously going to give its best shot to the entire exercise, Nupur.
Right.